CLW Group was established in 2005. Our factory is specialized in research, development, and production.
By keeping the principle of supreme quality, best service, and competitive price, we have won a very good reputation from our customers all over the world.
We are located in Suzhou City, China.
Let's go to visit our factory. The truck-mounted cranes can be equipped with the XCMG center profile, Roman name, and Chinese crane brand. They are telescopic and local boom cranes.
Our factory produces record trucks from 3 to 70 tons. The record trucks include rotator wrecker, integrated wrecker, flatbed wrecker, and DTU.
Chinese wreckers and flatbeds are purposely overbuilt. We don't design our trucks to fit specific circumstance. We design them to meet every scenario imaginable.
The sweeper truck includes street sweeper, road washing sweeper, and vacuum sweeper truck.
Chinese sewage section truck is popular sales in Australia, South America, Mid-Asia.
We have great mailing garbage trucks. The volume is from 3 to 25 cubic meters.
Tuning has many types of tanker trucks, such as oil tanker, water tanker, chemical tanker, bulk feed tanker, milk tanker, and so forth.
All kinds of the tank capacity is from 3 tons to 15 tons. Also, we are customized for each customer.
At CLW Group, we offer our customers the best sales and service solutions to ensure maximum efficiency and lasting productivity for your trucks.
As your trusted partner,
We will always be there for you.
Welcome
to visit and place order to our factory.